Dear viewers of the Daily RV Life YouTube channel, today, we delve into a topic that often goes unnoticed in the world of recreational vehicle, RV, living. Why people decide to quit this nomadic lifestyle. While RV living opens new horizons and a sense of adventure, it is not without its challenges. One of the primary reasons individuals quit RV living is the initial allure wearing off. At first, the prospect of constantly traveling, waking up to majestic scenery, and experiencing unparalleled freedom seems captivating. However, the romanticized idealization can fade over time. It may become tiring to continually maneuver the RV, deal with maintenance issues, and constantly adjust to different environments. Financial concerns can also contribute to people leaving the RV life behind. Although it can be cost-effective compared to traditional housing, RV living still entails various expenses. Fuel, campground fees, maintenance, and unexpected repairs can quickly add up. Additionally, finding reliable and affordable healthcare on the road can be a challenge for those with chronic medical conditions. Social isolation is another factor that leads individuals to quit RV living. While the freedom to roam allows for unique experiences, it can also mean leaving behind established social networks. For some people, the lack of consistent companionship and struggles to connect with like-minded individuals or communities ultimately outweigh the benefits of the nomadic lifestyle. Furthermore, the limited space in an RV can become confining for some. The initial excitement of downsizing and embracing a minimalist lifestyle may fade as the lack of personal space and storage becomes apparent. This can especially be challenging for families or those who have hobbies requiring additional equipment or supplies. Lastly, unforeseen circumstances or life events can cause people to end their RV journey abruptly. Changes in personal relationships, health issues, or the need to settle down for reasons such as family obligations or career opportunities can all influence the decision to quit RV living. In conclusion, while RV living offers numerous advantages, it is essential to acknowledge the reasons why some individuals choose to stop this lifestyle. From the waning allure to financial concerns, social isolation, limited space, and unexpected life events, these factors demonstrate the complex realities that RV enthusiasts face. Thank you for tuning in to the Daily RV Life YouTube channel as we explore this lesser-discussed aspect of the RV living experience. Stay tuned for more insightful content. Sincerely, the Daily RV Life team.